Hey guys, welcome back to Import Image Racing. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy modification that'll dramatically change the look of your VB chassis WRX. On the table, I have the Noble Carbon Fiber Lip Kit. Now this is actually sold as individual pieces, which makes it budget friendly. You can build this piece by piece. This is an easy modification that's easy to see, but hard to ignore. So let's get started. We're gonna get started with the front, but I wanted to let you know that this is a fiberglass construction with a hand overlaid carbon fiber, which makes it affordable if you accidentally damage it. To get started, all you need to do is remove these two plastic corner clips. Take off the 3M tape in the corners. For the installation of some of the bigger parts, it's always nice to have a helping hand. Now I'm going to install the self-tapping screws to secure the rest of the front lip. All right, we got the front installed. Now it's time to do the side skirts. Before I install this piece, I need to install these rubber push nuts into the factory side skirt holes. Here are the holes in the factory side skirt. Now these are here from Subaru because they do offer a package for additional side skirts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in the holes. The rest of the installation is just like the front lip. I'm going to remove the 3M tape and then use the screws to attach the side skirt. Next, we're gonna do the rear spat. Installation of this is super easy. You just have to remove these clips. You got one right here and the other right here. Run the self-tapper to secure. And lastly, I'm going to install the rear diffuser with the provided hardware. All right, that's the last one. Let's lower this thing down and check it out.
A few moments later.
Wow, I am loving this aggressive look, but I think I'm gonna take it off the lift, take it outside to get the full effect. Oh man, this thing looks so good. I just love the look of this lip kit, and when you pair it with more carbon fiber accents, it just tops off the look in my opinion. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Krista. Krista? Where's the WRX?